What's up, everyone? Bonus Aventus here, going over our August 8th, 2023 trade. We did SPY 447 puts, and we did really well. Made 178% profit on these. So let's get into it. Here's how we did it. So first things first, we are looking at SPY, and we're looking at the pre-market here. And what we can see is this big gap down. Basically going to open below yesterday's lows. So we're definitely looking at puts in this case. And so that's what we were looking at. It was opening around this 448 area. I did expect to move. I wanted to see best case scenario down to 444. But as you can see, we did have this 445-ish area mapped out. Didn't end up quite getting there. But we were going to look 447 puts to the downside. And so that's what we did above. As you can see, mapped out the whole trade, alerted this live in our Discord, got in right at the open. So we were looking at this double here, 448 as a support area or a resistance area, I mean. Got in the puts at 70 cents, which is pretty good. The low on this first candle was like 65 cents or something like that. And we see this nice move downwards. We did hold this 446.5 area. So we held on through this as this was an area where you could see some kind of consolidation a little bit, some buyers stepping in, but I did want to see lower. So we held through this, and then this next second move down. Now I want to talk about this. So why did we sell here? We ended up getting stopped out. So right on this candle here, let me zoom in. This guy, we dropped down to this 445, and the high here on our options was like $2.15 or something. But it didn't hold, and because this was quite close to 445, I didn't want to risk the profits anymore. So we put a stop on here right on the move up, just in case, and we did end up getting stopped out. So we sold, or we got stopped out at $1.95. That's what the price we got filled at. And as you can see, we did have this move up and then a little bit down later, but it didn't end up breaking this 445.5 area. But we're happy with what we did, like 178% profits in, what is this, 45 minutes? Really solid. So if you had put in $1,000, hypothetically, you could have taken out, or you would have made $1,780 profit. But we're happy with what we did. Again, mapped out everything in the Discord. You followed the exact trading plan that we did, so you could have copied the exact same thing. So yeah. That's all we're going to talk about in this video today. Or I guess we'll talk about what, based on these price levels, why did we look at these areas? So first things first, this 448, this is where we opened. As you can see here, big areas for resistance or support, so very key area, 448. After that, we're looking at probably this, based on this candle here, and these guys here, the 447.5. We didn't want to see that break because it was just the first level past the open. And then down here, 446.5. This was our next one. And at the bottom, you can see this 445. Basically held if we look at the daily chart, but the low was like 445.5. And after that, we could have seen 444, but pretty big stretch to getting to this level. So that's the trade that we did. SPY 447 puts from 70 cents to $1.95 for 178% profits. Crushed this trade. Super happy about it. Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram and TikTok and here on YouTube, and we will catch you on the next video.